It's a new season in Goa, and we're at my lovely friend Andrea Coutinho's lovely hotel Baira Mar on Benaule Beach on a beautiful November evening for the annual Christmas cake mixing.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree,
Wow, look at all this fruit so beautifully arranged. This will go into dozens of traditional Goan Christmas fruit cakes.
only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
We'll show you a bit of Baira Mar while everyone gathers by the pool for the cake mixing. Here are our famous cattle of Benaulem Beach. One of them has invited herself for the Christmas cake mixing party, but she has to go back because no walk-in without reservation. After a hot few weeks, Bairamar is really putting us in the mood for the new season. The chefs are ready, the fruit is ready, the rum is ready, and the people are geared up and ready to mix.
Christmas tree,
3, 2, 1, go! Christmas! One more time. 3, 2, 1, go!
We have a lot of pint-sized chefs today. Our brilliant Dr. Deepa Correa Pons, a local staff Benaulem, is overseeing the fun.
Okay, good evening everyone and welcome to this very special kick-off activity of the season, which is Beramar's first cake mixing activity. Alright, so to start off with a bang, I'm going to give a prize to anyone who can tell me how many days are left for Christmas. The first person to tell me, how many days are left for Christmas? 40. So can we have a prize here, Andy? What's your name? Shweta. Shweta here says 40 and she's right. Today is the 14th, so 16 days left in this month and 24 days of the next month. So we have 40 days to Christmas. Shweta, come. Yay! So this is Andrea. Please give Andrea a big cheer. She is the boss of Beramar and she gives the first prize to Shweta, who says there are 40 days left for Christmas. Okay? So, cake mixing is a wonderful activity where all the fruit that goes into the fabulous fruit cake, Christmas fruit cake, will now be mixed by all of these wonderful chefs here. Alright, adding to it, hopefully
You have to mix it first.
most of their juices, but lots of good vibes. Alright? Lots of good vibes and lots of good cheer, happiness, good thoughts, so that when we eat this cake on Christmas Day and thereafter, we shall be eating not just all of this lovely fruit, but lots of good cheer and vibes from everyone present here. Alright?
oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging.
After some fun and games and photo ops, we're ready to start mixing.
Alright, can we have the chef, someone to just sort of tell us what to do?
As you can see, I can show you that I'm also new at this. As you can see, they are a lot of wonderful fruit. All right, you can see they have the black raisins, They are the regular brown raisins. We've got cashew nuts. We can see the sultanas, the cherries, and lots of tutti frutti. All right, and all of this wonderful dry fruit is going to be mixed in alcohol.
Yeah.
And the best of it is nothing to beat Old Monk rum. Right? So
Absolutely.
we're going to put our hands in
Three
the
cheers.
and mix all of this fruit with all of this wonderful booze. And no drinking it from the bottle, okay? Go back. This is a tea party.
Doctor's orders.
Doctor's orders, yeah.
Yes. So are we going to pour the stuff in? Come. Come on. Come on, children, come. Put your hands all ready. Put your hands inside here like this.
Should I go there?
Yeah. Like
Yeah.
Okay, all hands, everyone put your hands in. And we take another picture with all our hands inside.
Y'all are all ready? Everyone's ready? I'm going to put my hand in too. Someone taking our picture, please. Alright? Okay, here goes. Come on, on the count of three.
Let's pour the bottles in on the count of three. Okay? 1, 2, and 3.
Merry Christmas.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plain, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strain. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
It really smells good and the fruit looks absolutely awesome. Thanks for this wonderful cake mix. You'll have to come on the 25th of December to eat this wonderful cake. Alright?
Each and every piece of fruit must be soaked in rum. They're doing a great job. Everyone who has mixed the cake, their good wishes will also soak into the fruit. Look at the cloud of cinnamon. Now all this fruit is going to soak up the rum and cinnamon and will be awesome by late December when it is mixed into cake and baked. The famous Goan Christmas fruit cake redolent of rum and spice. Many have already soaked their fruit by now. Let us know when you mix your Christmas cake fruit in the comments. Just another fun Goa evening. A great start to another Goa season. This year's season is very special in Goa. We all will be visiting our Goencho Sahib, St. Francis Xavier in Old Goa. Goans are coming home from all over the world for his exposition. Time for some tea after all that hard work. The Bairamar team has made lovely Goan tea snacks. We wish all Goans a wonderful season in 2024-25. May you all prosper.
Season's greetings. Season greetings.
Anna, I know to fish. Season greetings.
Season's greetings.
Season's greetings. Have a wonderful season and a very happy 2025.